LoadMaster. Load more, save more, make more. Enter the items' names and quantities. Import the Excel template. Items needed are picked up from the database. Add the trailer or truck or container. If you have many options, add them all. Set stacking constraints like placing the same SKU next to each other, or not mix different orders in one trailer, or select the trailer by minimizing the costs. Then get a clear 3D load plan. Zoom in, zoom out, view from all sides, and display loading step by step. Tell if it's balanced distributed by railway and maritime balance analysis to avoid fine and damage. Manually adjust the shipment as you like, move, switch the pile code, split, add new ones, or even insert a bit. You can also share it by link or QR code to your cell phone. Reports in Excel with many spreadsheets for data analysis or packing lists. LoadMaster, load more, save more, make more.